In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 2025 content calendar in Clickup using templates. We'll move from a blank slate to a clean, organized calendar you can share with your team, all without building everything from scratch. Start by logging into Clickup and opening your home dashboard. In the left sidebar, hover over your team space, the shared area where your team collaborates on projects. Click the three dots next to the team space name to open more options. This menu helps you manage that space without digging through multiple screens. From the menu, choose Templates. This opens Clickup's template gallery, which is a huge time saver. Instead of building a system field by field, you can start with a proven structure and tailor it to your needs. If you're not already in the template library, click Browse Templates. In the search bar, type Content Calendar. You'll see options that range from simple lists to more advanced setups. Pick the one that matches your workflow, monthly if you plan in larger batches, or weekly if you work in sprints. Click. Use template on your chosen content calendar. Give your new calendar a clear, searchable name, like 2025 Content Calendar or 2025 Social Media Content Calendar. Keeping names consistent makes it easier for your team to find and use the right space. If you want, customize the template before you create it. Update colors to match your brand, define task statuses such as draft, review, and published, and align date fields and task types with how your team actually works. Click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will create the calendar in the team space or location you selected. If needed, rename the space or the specific list to something obvious, like 2025 Content Calendar, so there's no confusion. Open your new calendar in List or Board Calendar view, whichever you prefer. Adjust the date fields to match a weekly or monthly posting cadence. Rename tasks to reflect what you publish, like Instagram post, blog draft, or video script. Add tags, priorities, or assignees to make ownership and urgency clear. Use a consistent color scheme and status set so everyone instantly understands where each piece of content stands. As your process evolves, keep the template consistent. When you add new statuses, date fields, or task types, apply those changes across the calendar so every view stays aligned and your team isn't guessing. Finally, reuse this template for 2026, another brand or client, or even a dedicated blog or podcast calendar. Each time, use the template again, rename it, and update the dates and details. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.